Creative writing prompts for second conditional mastery. Hello, English language learners. In today's video, we're going to delve into the world of second conditional sentences. We'll explore this through a series of creative writing prompts, designed to make the process engaging and fun. So, grab a pen, a notebook, or open a new document on your device. We're about to get creative with conditionals. Before we get into the prompts, let's do a quick recap of the second conditional. This type of conditional sentence is used to talk about hypothetical or unlikely situations. It consists of two clauses, an if clause, using the past simple tense, and a result clause, using would plus base form of the verb. For example, if I won the lottery, I would travel around the world. Now that we've refreshed our knowledge on second conditional sentences, let's delve into our creative writing prompts. Each prompt will challenge you to imagine a scenario and describe what you would do in that situation, using the second conditional structure. Remember, there's no right or wrong answers here. The goal is to practice your grammar while sparking your creativity. Here are your creative writing prompts. Remember, your response should be a complete sentence or a short paragraph using the second conditional. 1. Prompt 1. If you could have dinner with any historical figure, who would it be and why? 2. Prompt 2. If you could master any skill instantly, what would it be and why? 3. Prompt 3. If you could live anywhere in the world, where would it be and why? 4. Prompt 4. If you had the power to change one thing in the world, what would it be and why? 5. Prompt 5. If you could talk to animals, which animal would you talk to first and why? Let's go over some examples of how you might respond to these prompts. 1. Example for prompt 1. If I could have dinner with any historical figure, it would be Albert Einstein. I would ask him about his theories and his views on the universe. 2. Example for prompt 2. If I could master any skill instantly, it would be speaking multiple languages. This would allow me to communicate with people from different cultures more effectively. Remember, these are just examples. Your answers can be completely different, and that's perfectly okay. And there you have it. By using these creative writing prompts, you can practice your grasp of the second conditional while also exercising your creativity. The more you practice, the more natural using the second conditional will become. Keep practicing and keep creating. We hope this video has been helpful in improving your understanding and application of the second conditional in English. As always, we're looking forward to seeing your creative sentences in the comments below. Until next time, happy learning!